Okay, next up in this little tutorial on how to save things, we have JSON, not as frequently used as the other three file formats, CSV, text, and Excel. But it's coming up on the horizon. It's quite a good way to manage and store data, so you might come up against it more often in the future. So, as with the rest, if you haven't seen that how to open series, head on over and you'll be able to open files, and then you can get to this stage. So we'll open a JSON file. Fine. We're going to look at the head. That worked. That's good. And then what happens if we want to save the described data like we did with the CSV file, but we want to save it as the numbers as integers. We don't care about the decimal points. So we would do, I'll just take this out. It was one I prepared earlier. So we'd have the JSON data, then dot describe, then brackets, dot as type. Oh, no, that's not what we want to do. Dot as type. It didn't autofill. And you put int, get integers, and everything comes back as an integer. Then we want to save it, so we want to give it a variable, or call it a variable. So desk JSON int, very descriptive again. Whoa, that's what happens when you hit delete, it disappears. So that's it saved. We're going to go desk JSON. Hopefully I won't have problems like this with it that I did with Excel. 2 underscore JSON. Oh, looks like it's going to work. I got this far before and it didn't. And then I'm just going to name it what the variable's called. So stick that in there. Dot JSON. This may or may not work. We will see. That worked. See, amazing and easy. So that's how you save things to JSON. You can, in this tutorial, it's kind of broken into separate videos. So we've got CSV, text, Excel, and JSON. So check them out. Don't forget to subscribe. I love subscribers. I need subscribers to survive. And if you liked the video, thought it was useful, hit like, because then it will help other people find it too. All right. See you later.